In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper jam in your HP SmartTank 5107 printer. So if we go to the printer display panel, we can see there is error light flashing here with the paper icon flashing as well. So that means there is a paper stuck inside the printer. Now to fix the paper, we have to take out all the paper we have first. And just have a look if we can take the paper out from this side. So we can see there is a paper stuck here. It's a little bit hard to pull out. Go to the front and open this door. Have a look inside. You can see there is a paper stuck inside, so we can just try to take it out from here. So it may be a little bit difficult to take it out. So another option is to close it. Now lift the printer from one side and you will see there is a door to open. So like this. And here we can see the paper. So we can take some part out from here. Now close this door. Put it down. Have a look inside. So we can see the paper is clear. Now close it. Open the lid. Load the paper properly. Go to the printer display panel. Press the cancel button once and just wait for the printer. So we can see it has fixed the paper jam. Now we can discard this paper. So this way we can fix the paper jam in this printer. Thanks for watching.